As the match begins, our contestants face a swirling twist. It's a sandstorm, and that could shuffle more than their strategies. The Shock and Awe are opening Vault 2. The Socialites are pushing into Vault 1.
Secure cash out A. Go. Up here.
Inbound for cash out A.
There it
Absolutely.
is. Our first elimination of the match.
Peacetime is over, folks.
Secure cash out A. Explosive mine up.
The Socialites aren't standing on ceremony. They've started our first cash out. The powerhouses are in danger, but they still have one contestant going strong. A team-wide mishap for the powerhouses.
Jump pad ready.
The Boundless just jump-started a cash out. Powerhouses are re-engaging.
Drop the mine. Mine the mine. Come on up.
The powerhouses will need to reboot. Team wiped.
Let's see whether any contestants go after a team wipe here. In our tournament matches, a team wipe results in a loss of cold hard cash.
The powerhouses are back on the scene. What a way to open the match. The Socialites land the first cash out.
Enemy spot. In there. Enemy over there.
The Socialites are taking a bite out of Vault 3. Cash out complete, and the Boundless just got richer. Things look rough for the Boundless, but their remaining member could turn things around. The Boundless are re-entering the arena. As usual, lots of action and destruction awaits as we enter the second half of the match.
The action is non-stop, and we're all in for a treat as the match progresses.
The powerhouses are unlocking Vault 4. Complete team wipe for the Socialites.
That's not how you should RSVP to a party, Scotty.
Explosive mine placed.
The Shock and Awe get their hands on that cash out. That's a steal.
A move that definitely sets the stakes higher, Scotty.
Enemy
The
over there.
Socialites just returned to the spotlight. Team respawn.
here. Explosive mine out.
The shock and aw's last contestant needs to stay focused on avoiding a team wipe.
Gonna revive. Cover me. Jump over
Cash
here.
out in progress thanks to the powerhouses.
Going for
Enemy
cash
spot.
out
Down there. Setting a mine.
Goosebumps.
Planting a mine.
Indeed, Scotty. You can almost feel the tension in the air as the teams try to outmaneuver each other.
Cash out complete, and the shock and awe. The socialites are working their
Okay.
way into a vault.
Mind the mine. Explosive mine.
Teams need to get ready to shift their game plans because a surprise is coming
Gonna
their
cash
way.
out C. Placing an explosive. Time to test it. Deploying a surprise.
The shock and awe will need to try again. Team wiped.
Teamwork is crucial in our tournament matches, and a full team wipe will cost them a percentage of their cash total.
Danger, danger! The powerhouses are currently at risk of being eliminated. The socialites have commenced a cash out.
It's overtime. One final opportunity for our teams to climb the leaderboard.
The shock and awe just made their return to the arena. With boundless energy, the boundless just stole a cash out.
Remember, that's illegal in many jurisdictions, but not here.
Only one member of the boundless is still standing. They'll need to proceed with caution.
Going for
The
cash out A.
powerhouses are about to
Focusing on
have their
cash out
plug
B.
pulled. They're in danger of being
Cash out
eliminated
A.
from the tournament.
Alright.
Oh, a new vault! This is going to get very interesting very fast.
Planting explosive. Advancing to
Agreed.
The socialites are back in action. Our contestants have just 30 seconds left to impress our sponsors.
jump pad deployed.
10 seconds left.
Drop the mine. Explosive mine placed.
An amazing show of skill, but we are out of time.
The sun is on the way down, but our contestants' stars are about to rise. Crystal clear out there too.
We've rebuilt the arena from the latest match, and it looks beautiful. But I hope these contestants bring just as much destruction. The Boundless are making a move to the Vault 2. Vault 1 is being opened by the high notes.
Dash to cash out B.
A wipeout and a setback for the shock and awe.
That came right out of left field.
The shock and awe have respawned.
Deploying a surprise! Explosive mine out!
The Boundless have a cash out in the works.
Down! Move! Go down! Reposition! Down there! Explosive! Deploying jump pad! Planting a mine! Raising a shield! Ready to detonate! Placing an explosive!
The shock and awe have recovered and respawned. The high notes will need to try again. Team wiped.
I'm not so sure that's music to their ears.
The world is watching as the Kingfish's remaining contestant has a chance to shine here. Awesome steal by none other than the shock and awe.
Head to vault 3!
It's
Jump pad
in. The
deployed.
shock and awe make a bold statement with the first cash out of the match. The Boundless complete a cash out. There's no limit to what they can achieve now. Grabbing first place, it's the shock and awe.
Ready to detonate!
The high notes have recovered and respawned.
Arming a mine! Drop the mine!
The shock and awe are examining the contents of Vault 3. We've got action at Vault 4. The high notes are opening it.
Arming a mine!
Watch out! Here!
Charging the cash out, C!
Not a stale moment yet, and we just passed the midway point of this bout.
The contestants are definitely showcasing the spirit of our sponsors. Let's see if they can maintain this level of intensity throughout the match.
Cash out in progress, thanks to the shock and awe.
Enemy spotted!
We've got the shock and awe at the helm.
Explosive mine out!
Uh-oh! There's only one brave high note still singing out there. The high notes will need to reboot.
Zip
Team
them! Go
wiped.
cash out! See.
I would have expected
Drop
them
the
to
mine.
survive a bit of death metal.
Danger, danger. The Kingfish are currently at risk of being eliminated. The Boundless just lifted a cash out.
That could be a game changer.
The high notes are back and ready to avenge that team wipe. The Kingfish have commenced a cash out.
Setting a mine!
For the boundless, great team play.
Certainly! Vault 5, go! Vault 5, let's roll,
Yikes!
team!
Team wipe for the Kingfish.
Let's get airborne!
The Kingfish are re-engaging.
Move the cash out deep!
A new event is looming, and our contestants might find that the best strategy is simply to embrace the unexpected.
Mind the mine! Mind the mine!
Our laser is on, and it's not a turn of buttering. All contestants standing still for too long will probably regret it.
The Shock and Awe are busy freeing a vault. Who wants it more? Our contestants have 30 seconds to show the world.
Sun-kissed day with great visibility in the arena. Let's hope our contestants show us something new under the sun.
Welcome to an untouched arena, everyone, like a sandcastle before the tide rolls in. Let the waves of competition commence. The steamrollers are putting the squeeze on Vault 2. Vault 1 is being unsealed by the Kingfish.
Our first elimination of this match, and in all likelihood, not the last.
I hope we get to see more of that.
Secure cash out A.
Going to cash out B! Charging for cash out B! Explosive mine up!
Danger at cash
The
out
Boundless
A.
are all fired up.
Deploying
They've started
jump
our
pad.
first cash out.
Yes! Defend on me!
The steamrollers will need to come back from that wipeout.
Jump pad here!
steamrollers are
Enemy
back in
down there.
action.
Cash box on the move.
The Tough Shells are taking the reins of this match. The Tough Shells are initiating a cash out. It's in! The Boundless make a bold statement with the first cash out of the match.
Charging cash out A. Explosive mindset. Setting it on.
Only one contestant left for the steamrollers. A team wipe mishap for the Kingfish.
As you watch these teams battle, remember that a full team wipe in tournament play isn't just a setback in the arena, it's a financial hit on the scoreboard.
Planting a mine.
They're unstoppable right now. The Boundless just stole a cash out.
Definitely not a defensive strategy.
The Kingfish are re-entering the arena.
Come over here. Got it.
Outstanding! Cash out delivered by the steamrollers.
Vault 4. Heading out.
Roger.
Ready?
A wipeout and a setback for the Tough Shells. And there is another vault available for our cash-hungry teams. The steamrollers have recovered and respawned.
Reposition up there. Threat detected. Up
The
there.
Boundless breakthrough, opening Vault 4.
Time to bounce.
Cash out set in motion by the Kingfish.
Going for cash out station. Reposition down there. Let's go over there. Let's go over there. Time to bounce.
It's time for a new event in the arena, which is sure to test our contestants' skills.
Keep your eyes on the remaining contestant on the steamrollers. It's their time to shine.
Explosive mine placement.
With buildings literally falling down around them, our contestants will need to be confident in themselves and in their training.
Who says virtual worlds can't be dangerous? It looks like we have some long-distance fans of the finals dropping by. Yes, those are UFOs, and they are...
Agreed. Over there. Let's go.
We've got the Boundless returning to the arena. Cash out nabbed by the Tough Shells.
Can you
Explosive
believe
mine
it?
placement. Explosive mine out.
The steamrollers are down to one contestant. I used to love being in those situations. Payday for the Tough Shells cash out complete. This 1 minute warning was brought to you by Us Foods. The Kingfish might be on their way to a smaller pond. They're in danger of being eliminated from the tournament. The steamrollers have respawned.
Deploying jump pad.
The Steamrollers have made their way straight into the final round.
And the Tough Shells will join our upcoming two-team clash. They're ready to launch a hard-hitting attack on the top spot.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.